So this is the land use land cover map of Lagos State, and if you want to view which of the land use type has more area, now this is the raster. So the first thing you do is you run the raster to Polygon tool, and here is the value. So I've run the tool and it generated this raster for me. Okay. So now what you observe is just use single symbology to label it. What you need to do is to come to the symbology now. Let me click on this tab. Okay, but you can right click, go to properties. Okay, attribute table. Sorry. Okay, so you're seeing shape length, shape area, but you're also seeing this grid code. Okay, you're seeing this grid code. Now, if you observe this land use land cover map, you see that one grid code one is water, two is tree, four is flooded vegetation, five is crops, seven is built area, 8 is background, 10 is clouds, and 11 is rangeland. So you're going to apply that to this. Okay, so you can click on uh, for new field, and then okay, so click here to add a new field, right? Oh, sorry, that's already added this one. I've said to do a text field. This one should be LULC class 6. Okay, I think uh, excuse me. Okay, so land is land cover classes and this. Okay, so we are okay. So we're going to save this. So after saving, I'm going to close that. I'm back to the attribute table, and then my land use land cover classes are empty. Let me sort this thing by the grid code. Okay, sort ascending. Okay, so I know one is water. Okay, everything one is water. Two is trees. I think I'm going to calculate, create a formula to calculate this. Okay, um, I can manually do this. Let me not go into formula, so let me just manually do this. So I'll come to select by attribute, right? Select by attribute. New selection. Yes. Okay. So where grid code is equal to 1, right? Apply. Okay. You can close this. Come to the geoprocessing pane, and now search for calculate fields. Calculate fields. All right. Okay. So this is the calculate field, and then with this polygon. Now you see, use the selected records 1789 records, right? So the existing field or new field is in LULC classes, and I don't want anything. This is water. I just want to type in water, right? In quotes like so. Water. Let's spell it correctly. Okay, so this is water. Just water. I'm going to click run. you can observe the land use classes for water has been updated. Water. So we know that 2 is what 3 is. So we come to the map tab and then we clear selection. We go to select by attributes. Then grid code is equals to what 2. 2 apply. Alright, close this. So we are found out that 2 all 2 have been selected. Let's see. This thing is long, but no problem. Don't worry yourself too much. So basically, you just change this water to threes. Okay. So let's say threes. Okay, and we run. We do the same thing for flooded vegetation. So come here, clear selection. Um, so select by attributes. This grid code is equals to 4, right? And this 4 is flooded vegetation. And then close this, just type in flooded vegetation. Flooded vegetation. Okay, then click on run. Run. Completed. Make sure to always clear the selection. Clear the selection. We continue to select by attribute. We have 5 is crops, so 5 apply. Ensure that we're using just selected records. Okay, this one is crops. Run. Then clear selection again and again. Then 7 is built area. Don't worry. This is 7, so it's type in built area here. Built area, right? Run. Can continue that way. Clear selection. Then select by attributes. 8 is background, so just 8. Um, background. Then we run. Alright. Clear selection. 10 is cloud. 10. Okay. Cloud. Then run. Sorry? Sorry. Okay, 27. I'll correct. Let's clear. Then 11 is rangeland. So let's go to 11. Apply. Grid code. So we type rangeland. Rangeland. And then click on run. Clear it, and then we have it like so. So all the classes are now available. So basically you can still now classify this thing by their, let me see, unique values, right? Now you can now classify them by their land use classes. um for this you can copy the colors from the original raster layer. You can still copy them, but I'm not going to go into symbology. What we want to look at is which of these land use classes, okay, has the largest area. And to solve that, we can also solve it directly here. But I want to run one more tool so everything will be clearer. And I'll go to this deposition pane. And I'll test for the dissolve tool. Dissolve. Okay, so I'll select this dissolve tool, and then I'm going to the land use land cover polygon, and the dissolve tool should be the land use land cover classes. And the statistics field, the searching for statistics field. So you're interested in the shape area. We can add more than one. So it includes shape area and then shape length. Are you interested in shape length? Let's leave just shape area there, and then we'll run the tool. Okay, so the dissolve layer has been added, so we can turn this one off, and let's work with the dissolved layer. Right click on it, open attribute table. Let's close this one first. Let's then open attribute table for the dissolved layer, and we have it like so. And now we can see we're not interested in shape length, we're interested in shape area. So we can right click here and sort from ascending. To sort ascending, we have it like so. So cloud has this total area, and field area has this total area. So from here we have gotten our results. Let me just show you by dragging this thing out, and now you have our result, right? The total built area largest, followed by trees, water, and this. So Lagos State has the highest land use in Lagos State is a built up area, and I can also show this with a chart. Okay, you can just right click, come to chart, create a chart. Uh, what am I doing? So I'll right click, come to create charts, and then I think this will be perfect pie chart, right? I think I should use the bar chart, also recommend, but I'm gonna use pie chart here. We're going to export our results. Okay, so it opens. So the category we want to use is the land use land cover classes, and then our numeric field, of course. Our numeric field is our shape area. That's what we're interested. So let's apply. And here we have it. You observe that built up area has the highest. followed by trees, followed by um. So this looks good, but I need to update their symbology so that everything looks perfect, right? Okay, so let me quickly do that. To do that, I can come here and then let's say build up area. I'll click on it. Okay, and update colors, color properties, and then quickly update this. So the built up area is C428 C428 C4281B. Okay, and then click OK. This is built up area. So I'll quickly do that for all other classes. So I've updated the chart and it shows like this. Okay, so I don't know whether to expand this chart so that you see it clearly. So you can see built up area. So this is the extent for the land. Okay, in Lagos, built up area occupies 36.9%, trees 32%, water 18.1, rangeland, and this. So this is the land use characteristics of Lagos State, Nigeria. Thanks for staying tuned. See you in the next video.